Hello, now I'm going to be doing a short video going over templates on Google Sheets. So obviously you want to sign into your Google account and go on Google Sheets. Once you're in Google Sheets, you'll see like at the top of the page, your search, starting your spreadsheet, blank, your budgets or your to-do list, 2020 calendar, whatnot. That's not the only thing. If we go to the left-hand side, you'll see template gallery where you can scroll down. Or if you hit this three little button, you can hide all your templates. So we're going to hit template gallery. So like these are kind of labeled like personal to-do list, budgets, calendar, your calendars, your schedule, travel plan, wedding planner, team roster, pros and cons. Then there's work types of sheets like invoices, timesheets, financial statements, whatnot, your shift schedule, maybe your purchase orders, reports, um, or analytics and stuff like that, maybe charts or timelines or trackings. And then you have education, which maybe you could set up an attendance sheet or a grade book, assignment tracker. And all these different type of templates are all different type of uses and they all can be edited. So like you open up all these different templates like how we did in the budgets feature and it's all set up, but everything can be edited. You can change names, you can change numbers, change categories, add and or take away things to make it customized for you. But all these templates are here as a basic guideline, and they come with a little bit of instructions like written out at the very beginning of them to show you what to do. But they're pretty easy to use and self-explanatory, especially if you're going to be using them. Like if you're going to be using the education one, you're going to be most likely you're going to be a teacher, you're going to know how a gradebook works or assignment tracker works. It's really just a tool in a different way instead of using like a book or a paper or making this whole binder, or instead of having this whole gradebook to fill out or whatnot. It's an easier way, and this is an easier way to share with people or share with clients, presentations, share with parents or kids or friends or family members of whatnot. And this is just easier and more compact and very accessible to use. So I hope this was helpful.